Are you a streamer, gamer, or content creator looking for a PC that's ready to tackle anything that you can throw at it? Hey, I'm Fireball Brady from Microsoft, and I want to introduce you to Digital Storm's Aventum X. The Aventum X is Digital Storm's most powerful PC, and it's been designed to excel at and exceed rigorous performance requirements, passing their toughest stress tests with flying colors. Whether you're creating videos, music, 3D animations, developing software and games, or you're working on other computer taxing projects, you can customize the Aventum X to give you the configuration to best match your workload. It also comes equipped with Windows, so you can take advantage of other useful tools such as DirectX ray tracing, or Microsoft cloud services like Microsoft 365, and Teams for collaboration with other creators. Thanks to the latest processors from Intel and AMD, combined with NVIDIA GeForce or the AMD Radeon graphics cards, you can expect massive performance capability, no matter the job. The Aventum X is built to be efficient both inside and out. It's built with quick disconnect ports, so you can simply disconnect your hardware without tearing down the entire cooling system. You can easily upgrade or replace the GPUs thanks to the custom-engineered integrated power panel, placed above the graphics card for simplified cable management. The Aventum X also comes equipped with 8 hot swappable storage bays for easy expansion of hard drives and storage space. This PC is designed to support state-of-the-art hardware that gives you enough horsepower to tackle whatever the day throws at you, with outstanding performance. If you're a content creator or just a pure performance enthusiast searching for an ultra-capable hardware setup, the Aventum X was made with you in mind.